And we're getting you some more breaking news at this point in time, where the investigation into a major terror module has taken a dramatic turn, with police recovering rifles, pistols and ammunition from a swift car belonging to a female doctor at the Al Falah University. Two doctors linked to the Al-Qaeda affiliated outfit Ansar Ghazwatul Hind have been arrested so far, while a third accused remains absconding. Authorities say the module's threat footprint is massive, with nearly 300 to 360 kilograms of suspected ammonium nitrate, multiple IED components and assault-type rifles seized from Faridabad and Srinagar. Investigators also revealed that Dr. Adil had pasted Jaish-e-Mohammed posters in Srinagar, triggering the initial probe. The accused have been booked under the Arms Act and multiple sections of the UAPA, and the search for additional suspects continue nationwide. Earlier in the day, two doctors allegedly linked to the Al-Qaeda affiliated outfit Ansar Ghazwatul Hind were arrested in a joint operation by Jammu and Kashmir and Faridabad police, and according to the investigators, 3 doctors were part of this terror network. 2 have already been caught: Adil Rathar from Anantnag, who was arrested in Saharanpur, and Muzammil Shakil from Pulwama, who was detained in Faridabad. The third accused is a doctor and is still absconding, and a massive manhunt is underway. What has shocked investigators is the enormous scale and sophistication of the material recovered during the probe. Based on disclosures from one of the arrested men, Jammu and Kashmir police and Faridabad police jointly seized nearly 300 to 360 kilograms of suspected ammonium nitrate, along with an assault rifle, a pistol, multiple magazines, live cartridges and a large number of components used to assemble improvised explosive devices. All of this was recovered from a property in Faridabad. Investigators say that a Kashmiri doctor, Mujahil Shakil, had rented a room in Faridabad but never actually lived there. Instead, the room was allegedly being used only to store his belongings, including the explosive material that has now been seized. Investigators say this additional recovery significantly expands the threat footprint of the suspected module and hints at a much larger conspiracy. Separately, another AK-type rifle was recovered from a locker inside GMC Anantnag, where Dr. Adil had worked as a senior resident until 2024 October. The probe also revealed that Dr. Adil had allegedly pasted Jaish-e-Mohammed propaganda posters in Srinagar on 27th October, and CCTV footage captured him in the act, which triggered the initial phase of the investigation and led to his arrest on 6th November. As the investigation widened, Dr. Muzammil was picked up next, and his interrogation exposed deeper links to the suspected Ansar Ghazwatul Hind network. Authorities now believe the module could be much larger and may involve multiple sleeper cells operating across the states.
जैसे ये पिछले कुछ दिनों से फरीदाबाद पुलिस, हरियाणा पुलिस और J&K पुलिस का एक जॉइंट ऑपरेशन जारी था, और ये अभी भी जारी है। मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा, ऑपरेशन अभी भी जारी है, जिसके अंतर्गत एक एंटी टेरर मॉड्यूल पे काम करते हुए हमारी दोनों की जॉइंट टीम ने यहाँ पे जो है काम किया, जिसके अंदर एक एक्यूज को पहले यहाँ से पकड़ा गया था, जिसका नाम है डॉक्टर मुजम्मल, और इस पे आगे कार्रवाई करते हुए जो है कल जो है रेड्स की गई, और जिसमें रेड्स के दौरान यहाँ पे लगभग 360 kg के आसपास इन्फ्लेमेबल मटेरियल है, जो कि संभावित अमोनियम नाइट्रेट है। मैं क्लियर करना चाहूँगा कि इट इज़ नॉट RDX। मैं इस बात को क्लियर करूँगा क्योंकि कई जगह ये चल रहा है, तो मैं क्लियर करना चाहूँगा इट्स नॉट RDX। तो ये इन्फ्लेमेबल मटेरियल है। इसके अलावा कई और ऐसा सामान जो टेरर एक्टिविटीज़ में जिनका संभावित इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है, जैसे टाइमर्स, लगभग 20 टाइमर्स विद बैटरीज 4, और इसके अलावा कुछ अन्य सामान है जो है यहाँ बरामद किया गया है। साथ साथ ही जो है जो फायर आर्म्स में एक कैरन कॉप राइफल with 3 magazines and 83 live rounds, एक पिस्टल विद 8 लाइव राउंड्स, 2 empty cartridges और 2 एडिशनल मैगजीन्स है, जो इनसे जो है रिकवरी की गई है। और इसके अंदर जो है अभी जो है कार्रवाई जो है दोनों की हमारी जॉइंट पुलिस की कार्रवाई जो है जारी है।
Now, according to the police, all the rifles, pistols, and magazines were recovered from the Swift car. And this Swift car belongs to a female doctor working at the Al Falah University. Police are interrogating this female doctor, and the commissioner also confirmed that a Muslim cleric from Faridabad has been detained because of his connections with Dr. Muzammil.
किसको लेके गई है यहाँ से पुलिस?
इमाम साहब, मस्जिद के इमाम साहब।
मस्जिद के इमाम साहब।
हाँ,
क्या नाम है उनका?
इस्ताक,
आपके कौन लगते हैं वो?
मेरा आदमी, मेरा
अच्छा,
हस्बैंड।
क्यों लेकर गई है, कुछ पता है?
पता ना मुझे किसके लिए गई था।
पुलिस वाले आए थे?
इससे पहले भी आई थी पुलिस आपके यहाँ?
नहीं,
अच्छा,
कभी भी नहीं।
कितनी उम्र है उनकी?
वही 35 साल।
आप कब से रह रहे हैं यहाँ पे इमाम साहब के साथ?
30 साल हो गए।
30 साल से।
मस्जिद
कहाँ
में?
रहने वाले हैं आप ऐसे?
निवाज,
तो यहाँ मस्जिद में खाली नमाज पढ़ाते थे?
हाँ, निवाज पढ़ा।
और बच्चों को पढ़ाते थे?
बच्चे
बच्चे नहीं पढ़ते आप?
नहीं पढ़ते।
यहाँ से मस्जिद में कब से थे ये इमाम साहब?
20 साल हो गए।
20 साल।
तो पुलिस आई थी, क्या पूछ रही थी पुलिस?
उन्होंने करे अपने वह नु करो डायरेक्टर हाथ पकड़ के ले गए फोन ले गए का।
My colleague Aparna is joining me right now to get us more details. Well, Aparna, of course, the joint operation has managed to foil a major terror plot, but this only appears to be a tip of the iceberg. What do we know about what was in their minds? What were they planning? Is there a coordinated effort with the other states as well? Are the police in touch with the investigating authorities in the other states? Take us through the details that has come forth after today's terror plot foiling that was done by the joint operation.
Explosive recovery that has been done in the national capital, and I'm here at the same spot where the Muzammil Sheikh, which has been alleged to rent the flat here. This is the same spot which you can see in the visual, and here a joint operation is being carried out by Jammu Kashmir Police and Faridabad Police, and they have been conducting joint operation here since past 3 to 4 hours. That means something is there as well as of now, and also several other materials which was found was 360 kilogram of the inflammable material which is alleged to be the nitrogen dioxide, and apart from that several timer batteries as well, and lots of suitcases were also there in which inflammable materials were found. That simply signified that something greater was being planned by these doctors, and basically there are 4 people which are involved in this. First, on October 27, these all started when a doctor named Adil, he was found sticking posters in Jammu and Kashmir, and then when police finally probed, they found out through CCTV that he was involved in this, and then he was arrested from Uttar Pradesh, Saharannagar, and then after questioning, another name of the doctor came in front, which was of Muzammil, and then he told that this was the flat where all these materials, after further raiding, it was found out. And there was one more name which was coming in front, is of a doctor. Further details have not been found out because this is a matter of course, national security, and that's why the police team is also not properly giving us details about all the doctors which are further involved. But the name which has been found out is of the 4 person. Out of these, one is Adil and another is Muzammil. The third is the doctor, which is alleged to be a part of this. Over to you.
Well, Aparna, take us through, do we know anything about the other doctor, the other third conduit who is now absconding? What is the police talking about them? And how long have they been sitting and hatching this conspiracy? Take us also through the identity of the particular doctor from the university, from whose car, from the Swift car, where all this was recovered from. What has been the involvement of the lady doctor as well? Take us to the details.
So it is alleged that a lady doctor who was also part of the same university where Muzammil was, and it is alleged that the 360 kilogram of the inflammable material which was being found out was found out from her car as well, and that's why she has been alleged to be a part in this particular matter. And also here at this place, which is the rented flat, which is alleged to be the rented flat where all these materials were found out, their raiding is still going on, and as you can see in the visual, we have here police as well, and from last 3 to 4 hours joint operation of the Haryana police along with Jammu and Kashmir police is continuously going on, and now public are also getting warned because of this factor, as there is a link with the Jaish-e-Mohammed group. As already mentioned that one of the accused, he was found out to stick
Right.
posters in Jammu and Kashmir, and then after that another name came out.